Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to install Firefox browser on your Samsung Galaxy S22. So in order to do that, we'll need to find the app called Google Play Store. For me it's located right here. You can search it as well. It might be not here for you, so let's just press on it, and when it opens it should look something like that. Now press on the top right here like that and start searching for an app. Let's search for Firefox and press on the loop right here. Now when you found the app that you want, like it's Firefox Fast and Private Browser, select the install. You can press on the app as well, and from here you can install it the same. When it's done, open it, and from here you can customize the browser. For the first time you can change any of the options right here, like theme, your toolbar placement, always on privacy, sync your Firefox between devices, so you can sync your PC Firefox to the one on your phone, and start browsing when you're done with the settings, and it's ready to be used. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.